7 into 2, right? So that is 15. That is the required answer. Which term of the AP? This is AP. 5, 2, minus 1, it goes on. Is minus 22. Means what? See here. AP, it's given as AP. AP means what? This an equals to a1 or a plus n minus 1 into d means what? The difference between any two numbers, consecutive numbers, will be the same. So it is minus 3. That is the difference, common difference. So that is called as d. Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? A equals to 5, first term. D equals to what? 2 minus 5, right? Second minus first, that is minus 3. Now what we want? See here, this number is given as minus 22. It means what? This Tn equals to minus 22. And then what have we to find? We know A, we know D. We have to find this N. Which number, means which, if you start counting, where will minus 22 be there? So, start that. Tn equals to minus 22. Okay. So, A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, minus 22 equals to 5 plus n minus 1 into minus 3, right? So take this 5 on the other side. I have directly solved it. So n minus 1 into minus 3 equals to minus 22 minus 5, right? This minus 5 over here, it will go on 5 over here, it will go on the other side, it will become minus 5. So it is minus 27. So n minus 1 into minus 3 equals to minus 27. N minus 1 equals to minus 27 by minus 3, that is 9. Therefore n equals to 1 goes this side, 10. So n equals to 10. So which term of the AP it will minus 22 will be there? It will be a 10th term. Okay. Next, in an AP, sum of the first n terms is 3n square upon 2 plus 13n upon 2. Find the 25th term. Here, problem is not that difficult as it seems to be. What is given? Sum of the first n terms is given. Means Sn is given. Now what is the formula for Sn? Sn equals to n upon 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Right? But I think even we don't require this formula also over here, because we require the 25th term. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.